this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing, and I'm here today with Kay Coughlin and Tina Marie Wolfield talking to you about the upcoming HRUnite Michigan conference. And Kay, I hear you're going to have an amazing presentation for us.
Thank you, Brenda. I am so excited to be coming to this conference in person. What I'm going to be talking about is 7 ways you can help caregivers at work. Being a caregiver is a fairly misunderstood way to spend your hours outside of the office. And we all carry a lot of stereotypes with us about what that looks like. And what happens is it gets in the way of how we work with our colleagues who happen to be caregivers, especially because they might not tell us they're caregivers. I happen to be a caregiver myself, so this is not just what I do professionally, it's also what I do in my life.
Well, I think it's a great relevant topic, even as we kind of start to come out of this pandemic. There's going to be a continued need for that. So we're really looking forward to it, Kay. And could you tell us a bit about you and your business?
Yeah, my company is Facilitator on Fire. I am really passionate about helping generations live and work better together. And I do that by helping people understand the stereotypes that we are all already operating with. And at home, what I do is I help family caregivers who want to dare to live their own lives.
Wonderful. We're really looking forward to hearing your talk at the upcoming conference, Kay. And Tina Marie, let's shift to you now. Tell us a bit about how we can register and anything else we should know as we think about attending this event.
We are so excited to be offering both an in-person option at the Bavarian Inn and Lodge in fabulous Frankenmuth, Michigan, and an attend from anywhere for those, if you're in England, if you're in Grand Rapids, Michigan, no matter where you're at, you can hop on and join us. So we have dual platform. We'll be meeting July 14th and 15th. We have an amazing program, not just Kay, but 7 other speakers that are going to be bringing some HR awesome content for us to connect, learn, and grow from. And there will also be a scavenger hunt. And regardless of what option you're attending, either virtually or in person, you'll be able to participate. And I hear there's some really good prizes.
That sounds great. And I also hear that there are some folks that they're registering their whole team. Is that right?
Absolutely. We have teams of HR professionals joining us, either in person or virtually.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Tina Marie and Kay. And we look forward to everyone seeing us, whether virtually or in person, at the upcoming conference. After you're done watching, we'd love it if you could leave a comment below and tag somebody in your network, perhaps an HR leader or someone else who might be interested in hearing from Kay and from the other speakers. And also, please click to share this video along. Thank you and have a wonderful day.